I'm gonna make guac to go on top of these tostadas. Here it is, it's delicious. Consider sub, I make stuff like this all the time. I got a new cutting board. It's amazing. Thanks for the gift. Split your avocados. Hopefully they're not bad. It happens here sometimes. Get out. In there, twist it, push it off with the thumb. So with the avocados too, I always cut in a crisscross shape. Flip it, cut it this way. Recently been getting a lot of subs lately. Just appreciate everybody, thank you. Don't cut yourself. Let's get a lime cut in half. 1 clove of garlic. And let's just scoop out all the avocado. You can put whatever you want in this. I know I'm gonna get hate in the comments. No tomato, no jalapeno, blah, blah, blah. Just making a basic one to show you, to help you get started. Fresh garlic makes all the difference. Fresh cracked pepper, salt, a little bit of lime in here. Really simple. Looks pretty good. You get the idea. It's honestly phenomenal.